Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Here you see 2012 Toyota Prius. What a beauty, right? Blue color. And came first time, I never saw it before, so it came for the inspection. It has 106,000 miles, so we will be doing plugs. They are due. First thing, we open the hood. Obviously again, mice, right? Do you see it? The poop, right? Look at here. The evidence of the pee, right, all around here. So I tell you what, when you see this, watch for your wires and so on, but there is another place you have to go and look, and I will show you right away. And what I'm saying here, if you see this happening, always make sure, I'm giving you a hint, I'm giving you advice, always come and pull immediately that cabin air filter, and look, it's obvious we have a nest. We have another nest, another mice nest, and this is extremely dangerous. They will start eventually biting in these wires, right? The Prius, it's full of electronics, full of wires. They can destroy this car to the extent that the insurance company will actually total it, because the cost of repairs will be higher than, the value of the vehicle. So make absolutely sure you sometimes look underneath your hood, you check that you don't have this nightmare happening and mice living in your car. Thank you for watching. Be subscribed, I have more coming your way. See you later, my friend.